Hello, it's algebra time. We're on lesson 1.1, variables and expressions. I have a brief warm-up for you to do, so pause the video and do this problem. Okay, what is a variable and what is an expression? Okay, a variable is a letter that stands for a number, so we have X, Y. Those are the ones we use the most. You could use A or B, or you could even use symbols. Okay, an example of a variable expression. Okay, expressions do not have equal signs, so b plus 3 is a variable expression or an algebraic expression, and 7 plus 9 is a numerical expression. Okay, no equal sign. Okay, in algebra, variables are symbols used to represent unspecified numbers or values. Okay, a lot of kids get hung up when we start using letters as numbers. Just know that the letter represents a number. Sometimes we know what it is, and other times we don't know what the value is. But it just stands for a number. Instead of writing b plus 3, that's how we do it in algebra. You know, in earlier grades we did it like this. Alright? Okay. This here is the same as the variable. Alright, an algebraic expression consists of one or more numbers and variables along with one or more arithmetic operations. Okay, these are arithmetic operations right here. Okay, so an algebraic expression, just like I discussed earlier, b plus 3, x plus 7, 3y. Okay, those are variable expressions. Quantities multiplied together, those are called factors. Okay, so here we're multiplying two quantities, 6 and 5. Those are the factors. And the result, the 30 over here, is the product. Okay, 4x to the 5th power. Okay, the 4, that is the coefficient. The x is called the base, and the 5, this 5 right here, is the exponent. So we have the coefficient, the base, and the exponent. Okay, that's review from previous years. Okay, I'm going to write some expressions here. 8 more. All right, so that means you're going to add 8 to something. 8 more than what? A number. We don't know what the number is, so I could use x, y, or n. I like to use an n because it goes with number. All right, the next one, 7 less. When you have 7 less, that means you're subtracting 7 from something. And the product, you're multiplying something together. So 7 less than the product of 4 and a. Oh, a number x, sorry. So this is how you write it. 4x minus 7. And the order is important because 4x minus 7 is not the same as 7 minus 4x. All right? 1/3 of the original number. So if you're taking the third of something, you're going to be multiplying. So it's 1/3. The variable is a. So 1/3 times a. We don't have to put a dot in there or an x. We're multiplying. It's implied that it's 1/3 a that we're multiplying. Okay, the product of 7 and m, of 7 and m to the 5th power. All right? All right, now it's your turn. Here's 4 problems for you to do. Pause the video and begin. Okay, here's the answers. It's 13 less than a number. So 13 less than a number is the correct answer. If you wrote down 13 minus n, then you got it wrong. So it's n minus 13. Okay, next one, 9 more than the quotient. Whenever you see the word quotient, think of a fraction. Okay, it's of b and 5. The b is mentioned first, so that goes on top. and the 5 goes on the bottom. Okay, C, 3/4 of the perimeter. Here's that word of, which means times, so 3/4 of the perimeter. So it's 3/4 times P. And D, n cubed means to the third power, divided by 2. Okay, we're going to put it over 2. Okay, you could have written it as n over 3 divided by 2, but this is the preferred way. Okay, 2 to the 6th power. 2 to the 6th power is, you got 6 2's there. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 64. Okay? Do not make the mistake of multiplying the 2 and the 6 together. It does not equal 12. It equals 64. All right? All right, you try 4 to the 4th. Pause the tape or video. Okay, correct answer is 256. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. You multiply those together, you get 256. Okay, I hope you're doing pretty good. All right, write a verbal expression for each algebraic expression. Okay, there's more than one way to do these problems, but I'm just going to give you my method here. All right, we're going to be multiplying here, so I'm going to say the product of 4 and m cubed. Okay, let me get rid of that little. All right, product of 4 and m cubed. All right, the next one, we got a plus sign here, so I'm going to start with the plus sign. So it's the sum of c squared and I could say 21 times d, or I could say and the product of 21 and d. 21 and d. Okay, there's 2 examples for you. Check them over. Okay, your turn. Write this to the best of your ability. Pause the tape. Okay, you could say x to the 4th minus the quotient of y to the 9th. I like to start with the minus sign, so I say the difference of x to the 4th and the quotient of y and 9. Okay, that's one way to do that. There's many ways to do this, in fact. All right. The end. All right, you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.